What's up, guys? Welcome back to another DuRaMaX video. I'm sure I got the title and thumbnail on the dramatic side saying something along the lines of I ruined my DuRaMaX. I don't think I'm going to ruin it. I think it's going to make it a lot more enjoyable to drive. However, I know how some of y'all comment, and I'm sure there's going to be a handful of people saying, yep, you freaking ruined it. Either way, we're going to get into that later in the video. We got to get this truck up and looking good because Jacob is actually finally bringing this truck over for us to experience 1,000 horsepower of DuRaMaX Fury, which I am stoked for. But we got to get this thing looking right. So for starters, we got to address the exhaust. This thing at first looked good to me, but now it is just so freaking gaudy, I can't stand it. So we're going to axle dump it with that tip, tuck it up nice and high, and it should look a ton better, and hopefully it'll sound just as good. So with that said, let's begin with a startup. I guess I'm gonna have to finally bite the bullet and get new batteries for this thing because it's only been sitting for about 5 days and the batteries are totally shot already. Got her on the charger, so hopefully we'll get the batteries juiced up enough to hold for at least a couple days. Now, before we get into the exhaust, we got to get this thing sitting proper, which unfortunately for Larry means you got to give the 26s up. And I already see the comments, dude, we just got Larry back in the videos. Don't do it. Well, unfortunately, we got to because this thing has got to look proper for the double LBZ content. So, Larry, you're going back into a deep hole of depression sitting under the shed for at least just a week, and then we're going to get back on you, I promise. But I'm going to go ahead and swap these back over to here, and then I'll catch up with y'all after for the exhaust. Now that's a little bit more like it. Gosh, dog, I forgot how good this thing looked, and it's only been off the wheel for a freaking week. And yes, Larry has unfortunately slipped back into poverty. Not for long, Larry. We gonna get you right. But now let's go ahead and tackle that exhaust. Go ahead and get Big Chungus off of here. Can we actually get this off the other pipe now? Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. There we go. Is that straight? Holy crap. That actually looks sick. Alright, how bad is she gonna flop? Not too bad. Alright, let's go ahead and take a step back and check her out. Yes, I like that a lot more. It still looks freaking massive, but that's way more fitting. Let me know, do y'all like it better how it was or like this? I definitely think that looks way better. Way less gaudy, but still huge tip and should sound freaking amazing still. So now it is time to address what this entire video is about. Like I said, the title and thumbnail is a little bit dramatic. This is definitely not gonna actually ruin the truck, but some people use windshield tint as like a, oh my gosh, I'm so much better than everyone because I run windshield tint and I never get pulled over, even though I do always get pulled over. I just don't tell anyone, or either I post about it all the time. Either way, I'm tired of it. I love it. It looks amazing. The truck is not going to look as good. We all know that without windshield tint. It just looks so glorious being in full vampire mode. But dude, starting to get warm. I'm in short sleeve. I'm about sweating. It's cruising weather, boys. And more obvious than when you have all the windows up, when you have the windows down on the side and you still can't see through the front, that's like, hey, pull me over, please. And the freaking police are everywhere nowadays, and I just don't enjoy driving the truck around because it's not if, it's when you get pulled over. I don't feel like getting a $200-something ticket for windshield tint again. So we're going to be cutting her down. One last look at the glorious windshield tint. I am definitely going to miss it because it looks so sick. Look at the freaking reflection. Oh my gosh. All right, we just got to go ahead, do it, get it over with. Let's cut it. All right, we're gonna do our best to measure and cut appropriately. So from the ceiling, I want it about 7 inches here. So what? 9 inches down here, probably. We're gonna go 9 inches. So let me grab some tape. All right. Boom. Right about there. Now, we're just gonna try to use a razor blade and this is gonna fail miserably, isn't it? Oh yeah, that is not straight in the slightest. Dadgummit! Oh my gosh. That's so bad. It's so bad. Maybe we can correct it. All right, here we go. Oh brother, that's a lot of junk on there. My gosh. Screw it. Look how freaking wavy that is. That one's not bad. That side ain't bad. I should have done this side with my left like I did on that side with my right, but I was worried. Very right hand dominant. Left hand doesn't normally work, but right hand pulling it like I did not work either. Oh, it might actually be more rumbling now with it pointed at the ground. But how much better can it get, bro? 67 degrees, got the windows down. We are cruising, enjoying this thing. My gosh. That's just like a weight lifted off my shoulders because I can go drive and not have to worry. If you got windshield tint and it doesn't bother you, rock it, man, rock it. It looks better. But I would say it's not worth it. If it's something you want to go out and just drive anywhere, anytime, it ain't worth it. One, how freaking good does this truck look? Holy crap. I still can't believe this is mine sometimes. It literally just blows my mind. But you might have heard, I'm out here goofing. Well, your boy just freaking goofed too much because I turned it too sharp and I freaking touched my valance and chipped the paint. It'll focus. That's some bull crap. I'm tired of this freaking paint garbage. I got a new one of those painted. I'm about to just say ranch hand, color match ranch hand. Be done with it. Proper paint, ranch hand, not have to worry about scrubbing, and be freaking done with it. Honestly, not much different. Of course, windows down, you're gonna see straight through it, but 5% all around. It still is pretty dark. You can see our brow, which I straightened up a little bit. It looks better than it was, but it's not great. We're definitely gonna have to go get that redone and get all the freaking crap off of it. But dude, honestly, it's totally worth taking off. Don't have to worry about freaking driving it and getting immediately pulled over. I'm happy with it. It's been such a nice day cruising around and enjoying the truck. I'm freaking annoyed as crap about that bull crap, but golly. another DuRaMaX video down, boys. So been seeing y'all saying that y'all want to see more of this truck and I want to deliver more. It's just a matter of, you know, getting her situated and finding some more content. But I figured this would be another video for y'all to just tag along with and, you know, experience whatever. I don't even know. We got to do one last thing before we end off, which is check our oil. Is our oil still perfect, or has it started to go down the unfortunate fuel and oil way? That didn't make sense, but anyways. Please still be beautiful, clean oil. That thing is hot. All right, moment of truth, moment of truth. Boys, at least for the time being, at the moment, she's right there at our full line. Hang on, let me zoom y'all in a little bit. She's looking beautiful. Dead on the money. Not any added. Smells like oil. I don't know. I don't freaking know. I'm gonna just, I guess, continue enjoying the truck, doing mods and driving it. And like I said, every time we're just gonna check our oil and see when or if it starts adding. Who knows? Maybe it's a freaking, it had fuel and oil. It's gonna eventually start adding more I drive it. It has to. But until that happens, we're just gonna enjoy the truck. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap, guys. Definitely leave a comment down below. Let me know what you feel about today's video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. Smash that dislike button if you did not enjoy. And subscribe. Turn on bell notification. All the good stuff that us YouTubers have to say at the end, and hope that y'all do it. But with that said, I'll see y'all in the next video.